I created a cinematic teaser by just chatting with Invideo AgentOne. Check this out. It took me about 1 hour, just by chatting. Here is how I did it. I started inside AgentOne. It asks simple questions, and I kept guiding it through answers. I uploaded my script and added a short brief. The agent read it and locked the context. From there, it built the base: mood, characters, and shot structure. I focused on characters first, added specific traits so they stay consistent, then approved them. Next was the storyboard. Around 12 panels. I reviewed it and fixed a few shots using panel numbers. Then I defined timing, camera movement, and transitions. For video, I used Seedance 2 with 15-second multi-shot sequences and adjusted pacing through chat. I approved everything, and it generated the final trailer. Everything stayed inside one conversation, and the output followed the direction I set. The best part is it keeps the style consistent. Once things are locked, it remembers and continues the visuals without breaking continuity. If you want to try it, comment Agent and I'll share the link and breakdown guide.